Hello everyone. Today I'll be going over the blog page and blog settings of the website. Each website has the option to include a formatted blog page. While editing the blog page is very similar to editing any other page on the site, there are a few differences. I'll mainly focus on what sets the blog page apart from the other pages. To create a blog page, go to the Pages section of the website and click the plus icon in the menu. You will see the blog page as an option in the drop-down menu. The blog page has some different settings and more rigid page formatting, which sets it apart from the standard page. Once on the new page, the first thing I want to bring to your attention is the white menu bar at the bottom of the page. You have buttons for comments, blog settings, and new post. For comments, you can manage comments others have left on your live blog posts. This way you can screen the comments and delete or mark as spam as needed. Next is blog settings. From the blog settings, you can configure how many posts appear in the list of posts before adding another page, and you can toggle on and off Twitter and Facebook buttons. You can also toggle whether the space for author, categories, and archive shows on the page or not. And code for third-party analytics or SEO services can also be managed here. And then you see here again we have another space to manage some of the comment configurations. Then there's the New Post button. This is where you enter the blog editor to compose a new article. From there you can drag and drop website elements into the article space, the same as editing any other web page. One additional building feature only available on the blog page is the Read More break element. To use this, click and drag the element into the article. All content above the Read More break will show on the main blog page. All content below the break will be hidden with a Read More button. And then on the main blog page, clicking the article will take the viewer to a page with the full article. In the blog editor, you can also save a post as a draft to come back to later, discard a draft you no longer want to use, or publish the current post. You also have access to the post options from this screen, which gives you even more options. Post options apply to the article you are currently editing. You can schedule when an article should appear on the site. So you could say create a bunch of content at once and then space out when it posts. You can also allow or disallow comments for that specific article, and you can assign category tags to the article. Category tags appear in the right-hand column of the blog page. When clicked, the tag will filter blog posts that appear to all posts that share that tag. Once posted, each blog post has its own URL link, so you can share articles with your clients or on social media. Just a few other items here. You see we have the archive, so visitors can search articles from a certain time period, or they can use the category section here to see articles you've given the same tag. And that covers the basics of the blog page and blog settings. Having a blog and updating it regularly is a great way to keep visitors returning to your site and promoting website engagement. If you have any questions or need assistance building your blog page, feel free to reach out to our support team and we'd be happy to help you out. Thank you for watching our tutorial.